Hi guys, this is VW Touran timing belt replacement. You see, this is the camshaft. You see that arrow with this one, you have to match it up with this one. See this cut? This one with the arrow, and then the crankshaft one is you see this cut, yeah? You see this cut? Yeah, with this cut. You see this cut here, like this. Yeah, like this. This one is in timing now, yeah? And the camshaft one. This one, you have two holes, you see? This one must be here. Have two holes. If you want to put this side, it's not matching. You see? Don't be confused. This one wouldn't come. So only this way this can come. Only this way can come. And then this one in the right place. Yeah, like this. And the camshaft here. The water pump, have timing. And yeah, wherever you change the timing belt, you must change the water pump as well, because sometimes you change the timing belt but you didn't change the water pump. The water pump can fail you down, so it will cause too much problem. Then it cost too much to repair the engine if the engine gone. So wherever you do timing belt, you must do the water pump as well, and all the tensioners you have to change. That's the easiest way and safest way for you as well. So yeah, today is this one. And don't forget guys, share, like and subscribe, yeah?